Even if destiny does not allow me to love you, my lips still sing this song. Though today I can no longer have you, let this man quietly keep the pain inside.
Even if destiny does not allow me to love you,
my heart still remembers your song.
though today I can no longer have you, let this woman live with a heart that never heals.
You must be waiting upon the path of destiny, because in this life I cannot stand beside you.
Let us kneel and pray for a new fate once again,
So that in the next life we may be together. I raise my hands and pray to the sacred spirits to carve your name onto my arm. Perhaps in the next life I can stay by your side and make you my bride. Even if destiny does not allow me
to love you,
my lips still sing this song. Though today we cannot be together,
let us search for each other again.
Kneel and pray for a new fate, so that in the next life we may stay together. I'll raise my hands and pray to the sacred spirits to engrave your name
Upon my body,
perhaps
in the next life we will share the same home, and let me become your wife.
My dear heart, I still always miss you.
Your smile